Exercise 25 of paragraph 7.2. Okay, 25. It's talking about the remarkable product. And as you know, one of the remarkable products is a plus b square. And this can be written as a plus b times a plus b, because a square is always a number multiplied by itself. And by solving this, it's a times a is a square, a times b plus ab. B times a is ab as well, because we always write it in alphabetic order, and b times b is b squared. So simplified, we can say a squared plus 2 times ab plus b. Okay, the other remarkable product, a minus b. Just do it by heart, because we know it from now on. A square minus 2ab plus b squared. And this is plus because we know that minus b times minus b is always a positive b squared. It's a positive one. Okay, let's go. Now we have some assignments. Let's take A. And A says a square minus 18a plus 81. And now I have to be clever, because I know this one must be a square, something square, and this must be something square as well. So I can see this is a, this must be, because it's the square root of 81 is 9, so this must be 9. And because it's a minus and it looks like my second remarkable product, because this is one of it and this is the other one, and maybe you still know the other, because there was a third as well. The third, I write it down over here, it's a minus b times a plus b, or another order, a plus b times a minus b. And do you still know what's the answer? Yes, it's a square minus b square. So this one was the other. Now let's go back to this. Oh, I see that's my first square. This one is a, and the second one is 9. So this must be a minus 9 square. Let's just check this. So a minus 9 times a minus 9. Let's just check. A times a is a square. A times minus 9 is minus 9a. Minus 9 times a is minus 9a. And minus 9 times minus 9 is plus 81. And if I simplify this, I see a squared minus 18a plus 81. Aha! I'm right. Second one. I take the I. Let's make it difficult. Over here it's the same. 16 p to the power of 4 minus 72 p to the power of 2 q plus 81 q to the power of 2. Okay. Well, this one. Let's take another one. This one is my something square, and this one is my something square. Well, I can easily see 16, square root of 16 is 4, square root of p to the power of 4 is p to the power of 2, because, just check, is like P times P times P times P. This part is over there and this part is over there. So that's how I know that P to the power of 2 is the square root of P to the power of 4. And the other one over here, well, it's quite easy. It's 9 and square root of Q to the power of 2 is Q. Because this is a minus, this is a positive, I know it must be this one. So you can check it if you like, but I'm sure this is the one. Hey. So another one, just to make it complete. Let's take a look. A to the power of 3 plus 2 a to the power of 2b plus ab to the power of... Well, if I really want to know, this one, I should say, is a to the power of 1.5 square root of this one, because you can compare this one. I just have to split it in two. And the other one around is square root of a times b. And because both positive, it must be like this. But now I need to check. Well, let's take a look. A to the power of, let's write it down over there. A to the power of 1.5. Square root of a times b times a to the power of 1.5 plus square root of a times b. Well, 1.5 is a to the power of 3. So it's a to the power of 1.5 to the power of 2. You know, it's this one. And okay. Okay, we had it. Sorry. Oh yay. So the next one is, so I did this one, and the next one is a to the power of 1.5 times plus a to the power 1.5 times a square root of a times b. Well, this is a to the power 1.5 times a to the power 1/2 is, yeah, it's going to be a difficult one, is a to the power of 2 times b. And this is exactly what I got over here. And this one, square root of a times b square. Square root of a square is, oh, it's going to be small, a times b power 2. So this is a complicated one. It's a really complicated one, but you might be able to do this. It's therefore that it's the last assignment in this paragraph. So just try to check when you have something with a recognizable square over here and a recognizable square over there, that you might be dealing with a remarkable product. Good luck.